In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. First, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Then tap on the More button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Help and Safety. Then tap on Help. From there, tap on Search Our Articles and type in Redeem. Hit Search. Now look for the article that says How to Redeem and Spend Your Gift Card and tap on it. Scroll down inside that article until you see the link that says roblox.com/redeem. Tap on that link. This will take you to the redemption page. Now grab your gift card. If it is a physical card, scratch off the back to reveal the code. If it is a digital card, just copy the code from your email. Enter the code into the box on the redemption page. Once you have typed it in, tap on Redeem. Your Robux or gift card balance will then be added to your account straight away. That is it. It only takes about a minute, and you can do the whole thing without ever leaving your phone. That is how you do it.